Hi guys, so it's another beautiful day here in the Philippines, and it's Thursday morning here.
Really? It's Thursday?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, next day is Friday. Are you lost?
I'm trying to think. Well, how's it? I'm lost.
Yeah, my bana is lost.
I thought this was Tuesday.
Thursday.
My God.
Are you still asleep?
I must be because I really thought it's Tuesday.
So I just finished my workout this morning. I do some Zumba dance. I've been exercising myself. It's been 3 days now. I've been exercising every morning. It makes me more energetic.
Really?
Every day when I do that workout, that Zumba dance. So it's been cloudy this morning, and we're not using solar because there's no sunshine.
Low bat.
Yeah, low bat. The battery is low bat also. So Virgil is in the school, and we're just been relaxing here in the house. So there's still no water supply from the barangay, so the people is still using the water from the creek.
And the creek's almost dry.
Yeah, the creek is almost dry too, almost no water.
Look at that.
Yeah.
It's a very small stream.
It's amazing that the other side, near Dumaguete City, you see the river there, it's lots of water.
Yeah.
And that falls that we've been, it's water, the water there is very...
That was just last week?
Yeah. So, it's a big difference from here compared to the other side because they have a lots of water supply there. So, over here, it's really limited. So, that's why there's no water supply from the barangay because it's been very hot. It's just today that it's been cloudy and it's been so hot. When we arrived there from Zamboangueta, there's no rain here, but there in Dumaguete, it's been raining there. So it's been so dry. As you can see that the leaf is turning brown.
It wasn't raining here.
Yeah, on the way there in Dumaguete, it's been raining. Then on the way back also, it's been raining. So when we arrive here in our place, it's so dry. The soil is so dry. The ground is so dry. We're shocked because there's no rain at all. So the trees is turning brown now. And hopefully there's rain. Hopefully that, because you know, the farmers really badly needs that water for their plants. Hopefully that we'll have some rain, even small rain, because it really helps a lot. So I'm gonna show you now the weather for today here in the jungle. And this is our plants here. Look at that. It's been blooming now. There's some flowers in the tomato. I'm gonna do some closer look. So this is our tomato here. There's the flowers there now, as you can see. So it's almost maybe we'll be having some tomato soon. I'm excited for that. It looks so very healthy. And this one over here is I think it's a pepper. So it's been growing too. Oh, the pepper also, it's blooming, baby. Yeah, there's some flowers later.
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno? Oh, sorry. You told me it's pepper this morning.
Yeah, jalapeno.
Ah, it's jalapeno. Sorry, it's jalapeno. I thought, hey, don't disturb our plants. There's cat here. There's baby cat. He's been climbing here and Daddy, the cat ba is been disturbing your plants. See? So there's over here is the paper. The cat, that baby cat is been climbing here, the top, in your plants. That cat there, that baby is very hyper. He just not want to behave. He just... So this one over here is the tomato also.
Yeah, the small tomatoes.
Small tomatoes.
This here is the big one.
So the in the other side is the big one. I'm excited for that. So I've been...
I've made a small change in
Look
plan
at
on
that.
the
Nice.
chicken area over there, which will save us some money in building.
What? So this is ours. Most of them is, they have some on it now. It's been growing. Hopefully it stay that way. It won't die. So this one here, what is this, Bibi?
I don't remember. I don't know if it's it might be celery. I don't know.
Celery?
Yeah, I have to get my camera out and let me get my phone.
This
see if it
one?
tells me.
This one is the...
That should be jalapeno pepper too.
Hmm.
Should be.
So look at that. So I've been transferring my artificial plants here because the cats is been disturbing. They've been climbing here and they almost damaged some of it. So I've been transferring here at the back of our house because when I put it in the other side, the cats is not, did not leave it alone. You want to play with it. The cat, I've been transferring the artificial plants there at the back because the cat is not leaving them alone.
Let's see if I can figure out what these are.
So weather check this morning.
Might be
So
bell
cloudy. So you can see the skies is so dark.
pepper. It says it's pepper.
There's no sunshine. Paper?
Yeah.
It looks like a lemon.
It could be basil too.
It looks the leaf, but it looks like lemon. The leaf. This one.
Well, it says it's basil.
That one is basil. Then this one. This one is looks like lemon. Lemon.
It might be.
Because I've been putting some lemon in it. Remember that the last time when you put something on it, it not grow good. So I put some lemon seed. I don't know if it's lemon. Is it? My husband is been taking picture and check if what's that kind of plant.
That's what you got growing.
Yeah, it's lemon, right? Yeah. I put some of the lemon here, the seed, and yeah, it's growing, guys.
How you pronounce that
Calamansi.
Yeah.
Oh, it's calamansi. Calamansi is smaller. The lemon is bigger. That calamansi, the one green color. Oh, that's calamansi. So calamansi and lemon is different. The lemon is the one color yellow. Then the calamansi is the green, the small one. The lemon is much bigger than the calamansi. So that's what I was thinking, lemon or calamansi. Because it looks like it.
Oh, this is supposed to be those super hot pepper.
What there?
This one.
Ah, this one. So this one is the hot pepper.
Carolina. The Carolina Reaper. You're not supposed to touch with your skin.
Because it will burn you.
Listen here, puzzle thing.
It looks like a plants. Like plants. It It's not looks like a vegetable. This one.
It says Einstein plant, the cucumber plant.
Really?
Yeah, I don't remember.
Cucumber plant.
I don't remember planting a cucumber.
So this one is the basil. So as you can see that the leaf over there is been turning brown. It's been so windy now outside, as you can see. Maybe it will rain.
May Monday! May Monday!
Cats has been behaving now. So this one is so, this cat here, this one, the baby one. Now see, he's very, he just not want to behave. He keeps moving. Been grabbing something. He saw something that he likes. He wants to grab and play with it. That cat, baby.
Mm-hmm.
If he wants something that he likes, if he finds something that he likes, he wants to grab it and play with it.
No.
he not never leave that plant there, that artificial plant. So we're gonna go outside.
That's the most active cat we got.
Yeah, he's very active.
Besides his mama.
Very active cat. So still there's lots of people there. You can see. There's a lot there downstairs. So that's the chicken of my grandmother. Native chicken. There's some here. So my grandma is giving some, putting some soup here, some vegetable soup for my father. So that's the vegetable soup. It looks good. So as you can see that the creek is almost no water at all. Very small. It's not so clear also. So this banana here, it belongs to our neighbor. So there's a banana heart there. That one, that's the banana heart. So let's go back outside. So we have a lots of pepper now here. So this is the pepper that my father planted here. It's three of them. Yeah. So there's another one. We call this one Sili Espada. Yeah. Yeah, it's very neat, huh?
I use a lot of those.
Yeah, look at that. We're not been using with it. It's really nice. And we have also green onions here. So the chicken is been they've been disturbing with this green pepper here. They not leave it alone. Also the chicken, they loves to go here inside and play with that plants there, that green pepper. There's more pepper here, Daddy. Look. This one also is the pepper. Just the chicken, but not leave it alone. Chicken, look at that. There's green onions and the chicken is keep disturbing with that chicken. We have a lots of pepper.
Another pepper growing over.
There are lots of pepper, look. So that's the calamansi over here. The one we got there.
Yeah.
In the pot. So this one, when it grows, it be like this.
Cool.
So this one is the calamansi tree. So we have that one in the pot.
We can put a lot of those.
So that one. So we really like to have my husband and Virgil loves to have calamansi juice or lemonade, lemon juice. They like lemonade, but lemon now is not available in the market. They don't have. They're in the market now. The lemon. Maybe I really try to check later if they have.
I thought we were going to go.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah, you told me, but we just go. We go to La Playa Beach. Just relax there and have some watermelon shake. So
Maybe have a grilled squid.
yeah, maybe you can have some grilled squid, the one your favorite.
No, because they prepare it good.
So we're gonna go to La Playa Beach later. We're gonna get something there in the market also. Some items that we need here in the house. And you know, the meat, the pork is really expensive now. There in San Carlos, it's 400 pesos per kilo. Can you believe that? 400 pesos per kilo. I think last month we're just buying about 260, and now it's 400 pesos per kilo. Oh my God. We can't hardly buy that pork now because it's really expensive. Lots of people is complaining that, you know, the rice, all the necessity, the one really needs badly. It's really, most of them are getting expensive. How people can survive that price? Lots of people is been complaining because, you know, the salary is not been increasing, still the same. Then the foods are really expensive now. I just pity of some people that, especially the workers in the sugarcane field.
That's another reason I want to try to get our chicken thing going.
Yeah,
Make more self-supporting.
it's
We save money.
they can't afford to buy that pork. 400 pesos. You know, for 1 kilo, it's not really feed for the whole family. If you have big family, it's not exact. So most people here in our community, they just work in a sugarcane field, and it's really pitiful because I don't know what happened. That it's just most of the foods is really expensive now. So hopefully it will go down, and it's really sad, right?
Yeah.
Because why the increase too much. So I will see you guys later, and stay tuned. So we are here at La Playa Beach Resort. Oh, look at the wave. Big wave. Look at it's overcast today, and look at the wave. It's so nice to go swimming. I love wave. It's more fun but when there's a wave because it's too much fun swimming in the wave. So I just went to the market, then we're just stopped by here in the restaurant. Maybe we're gonna have some dinner here or lunch. Looks like it's been raining there in the other side. But There's some of the people been swimming. It's my husband then. What you gonna eat? Are you hungry? Sorry, are you hungry? It's a big wave there.
I'm not angry.
Gutom. Are you gutom?
Oh.
Kaon. You want kaon? Kaon. No, kaon means eating. Bisaya ba kaon? Eating. Gutom ka, be? Gigutom ka?
Okay, Ron.
I said gigutom ka. I asked if you're hungry. Are you gutom?
Oh.
Oo. Or wal. Or dili. Oo or dili.
Oh.
Oo, gutom? Gutom ba na?
Oh.
I asked him if he's hungry. He said, oo is yes. Oo is Bisaya. Word of yes. He's hungry. I'm gonna check. So it's still 11:35. I'm shocked that you're hungry so early.
Wait.
No, I can order you some food. I'm just kidding. So we're gonna order. So actually, I already eat lunch there in the house because I've been hungry early. So I have that pork adobo and rice. So maybe I just have some drinks here, or maybe hot choco. Maybe they have some hot choco here. And I'm gonna order some grilled squid for my husband. He's craving for that grilled squid. So I'm gonna check there inside if there's available. So we're still waiting for our foods. Relaxing, looking with the beautiful view, the ocean view. And it's so nice breeze here. Right, Daddy? Nice breeze.
Oh, yeah.
Relaxing.
Yeah, beautiful here today. With
Yeah.
the breeze and everything.
Very beautiful.
The overcast just makes it cooler.
Yeah. I just bought some peanuts. I have some peanuts here.
You look like you ate them all.
I have 3 bags of peanuts. And it's only 10 pesos for each. For this one bag, 10 pesos. So it's very cheap. So there's a lady that's selling this one here. So I really like this kind of peanuts, especially the way they cook it. It's really good. And we're still waiting for our foods. And we have a lots of customers this time now. And we're just relaxing here.
Yeah, I'm chatting with my friend.
And my husband has been chatting with his friend. And so I ordered him some grilled squid and garlic rice. And you have some blue lemonade. Blue lemonade. You have blue lemonade.
Sounds pretty
And I only have some French fries on me and also some Guyabano shake.
good. You give me the 5 liter.
5 liter. You don't have that 5 liter? 5 liter of lemonade. Wow. You have a lot of pee on that. You're gonna pee that all? That 5 liter?
Yeah, blue pea.
Your pee will gonna turn blue instead of yellow.
Yeah. But blue and yellow make green, so my pea be green.
Yeah, you'll be having a green pea. So we're still waiting for our foods. Hopefully that it be here soon. So my husband has been craving that squid. That's why you you told me we go. We're gonna go. We're gonna go here. So because he's been craving with the squid, so he wants me
Yeah,
to.
they prepare it the way I like
Yeah.
it. You tell them make it spicy.
Yeah, I told him to put some pepper on it. So he's been craving with the squid, and that's why we're here. And I told the guy that makes it spicy for you. He likes it a little bit spicy on his squid. So see you guys. And here's our foods. French fries, so cute. It's the French fries, garlic rice, squid. So cute. Look at the squid, guys. And I have some guayabano shake. Look at the French fries, so cute. This is only for me, Daddy. So cute. Very cute. Look at that. For sure, blue lemonade. With the beautiful view here. Try the French fries. I think they forgot your blue lemonade. I'm gonna check there inside. Let's eat, guys. So we're on the way home now. So we've been having some lunch there, and my husband is a little bit disappointed about the squid because they serve it cold, and also the taste is different, right? The taste is different this time than the last time.
Yeah, they used to be really good.
Yeah, maybe the one who cooked it, it's not the same than last time.
No, it's not the same. No.
Yeah. So he's been excited about that squid, and he not expect that.
When I seen the plate, I know it's different. But before,
I think that kind of squid, baby, that's the one we normally bought there in the house where the lady sell.
Yeah.
It's, you know, it's two different kinds of squid. They have the big one and the small one. The big one is the more tasty than the small one.
well, it wouldn't cook done enough either.
Yeah, and did not cook. It's not done enough. Also, that squid did not cook it correctly. Like,
I like that little crispy.
yeah. But still okay, right?
It was okay. If I were grading it from 1 to 10, I would give it probably between 6 and 7.
6 and 7, 6 or 7
Yeah.
out of 10,
Yeah, before it was 8 or 9.
8 or 9. Now it's 6 or 7.
Probably closer to 6.
The one in Seaside, the other restaurant, they really have a delicious squid there, right?
Yeah.
It's been a while we not tried the squid there
Yeah.
in Seaside. We have last time, but that squid is smaller.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah, almost.
So we really had an enjoyable time there, and the breeze is so relaxing, and they have a lots of customer there.
Yeah, it was good.
We're really having a good time.
Yeah, good relaxing time, really.
Yeah.
I'm not complaining. Just as expected. A squid to be better.
So we're heading home now, and maybe we're gonna take a nap.
Yeah, we're getting that. My eyes are getting heavy.
Your eyes is getting heavy,
Yeah,
or your ass is getting heavy.
both. Your friends in the...
No, they're not there. They're not there yet also,
Okay.
because they're just yeah.
They're just there when you're there.
When I am there, they are there. My friends are not there in the school also because I'm not there. So So I think that's all for today, guys. So I will see you again on my next video. Thank you so much again for the love and support, and for all my new subscribers out there. I really do appreciate all of you guys for subscribing my channel. And if you are new to my channel, if you not even subscribe my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much for watching. So I will see you again on my next video. So God bless us all.
Bye bye.
Bye for now.